How to log out safely from Cyberdojo. Keeping your account secure is important, and let's see how to do it on Cyberdojo. To log out, click your profile icon at the top right and select Logout. This ensures no one else can access your account. If you want to remove Cyberdojo from a browser or system, clear any cached data or stored credentials to maintain privacy. Always log out when using shared or public systems to protect your coding progress and account information. Do you log out every time or stay signed in? Let us know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can log out safely from Cyberdojo. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.